YouTube TV on your FireStick step by step. The first thing you want to do is navigate to the search icon from your FireStick home screen and go to the magnifying glass icon. Search for YouTube TV, so type YouTube TV in the search bar. Then select the YouTube TV app. Make sure YouTube TV app, not the regular YouTube app. Download and install, so on the download or get button to start the installation process. And then open the YouTube TV app, so once the installation is complete, open the app and sign in or try for free. If you're a new user, select try YouTube for free and follow prompts. For existing members, choose a member sign in. Then complete the sign in process, so you'll see it on your TV screen on the phone or computer. Go to tv.youtube.com/start. Enter the code displayed on your TV and sign in with your Google account associated with YouTube TV. Then you can start streaming. Your FireStick screen should refresh and you'll be able to start watching YouTube TV. Remember to ensure your FireStick is connected to the internet before starting this process. If you encounter any issues, subscribe.